what it actually costs to start up your Amazon FBA business. So I definitely get this question a lot, especially when selling on Amazon, and it varies. But personally, what I recommend you to do is save at least $3,000 to start up your Amazon business. Why? Because you're also going to be considering the shipping fee from shipping it to China to Amazon's warehouse. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. All this information is always free, and I'm trying to help you guys as much as possible. I'll ask you just hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot. So $3,000 is probably my initial investment when selling on Amazon, especially when you're starting off. You want to make sure the concept works. That's the most important thing when you're starting up your business. You want to have concept confirmation and make sure that it works and your idea works and the product that you're trying to sell is a very high quality product and that your customers like that product. It would suck, if you invested a little bit more and then you found out that the whole idea flopped and that it's very, very competitive and it's not for you. So $3,000 is probably my initial investment that I would personally recommend you to do, especially when starting off on Amazon. I was able to grow my Amazon business to $1 million in sales, so I know a little bit thing or two when selling on Amazon. And product research is probably the most important thing when starting up. You need to make sure that product is very, very good. I recommend the product to be 3 pounds or less. I recommend the product to be higher than $15 because of profit margin. You want to make sure you have a high profit margin. You have to consider Amazon's fees and the shipping fees, Amazon's fees, shipping it from China to Amazon's warehouse. You have to make sure that product is over $15. That way you can continuously grow your business year after year. I actually have a free course for you guys. It's going to be a link in the description down below. You don't need anything. You can literally just sign up with your email and you can start learning in 2 minutes from now if you wanted to. It has a free course to teach you guys the very basics and basic information of how you can actually get started selling on Amazon. There's a ton of free videos out there for you guys in my course, and I'm also going to have a more advanced course on there, and it's going to give you more details and like all the little fine details that you need to know, especially if you're trying to make this a full-time income. But for the most part, check out that free course. It's going to be down there as well as a pinned comment, and you can literally find how you can get that right product for you and give you guys the product research tools and what I recommend you to do, especially finding that first product. I even teach you how to ship a product from China directly to Amazon's warehouse. I notice a lot of Amazon sellers ship it to their home and then to Amazon's warehouse, and I personally think that's just a waste of money. It's a waste of money, it's a waste of time. It's gonna hurt your profit, especially if you're starting up. So shipping it from China directly to Amazon's warehouse and not having to deal with inventory around the house is something that is ideal for me. $3,000 is probably my sweet spot, especially when selling on Amazon. I would really recommend you to save up at least $3,000 to start up and find that right product. If you don't know how to find a wholesale supplier, I'm going to have a video up here. I already made one for you guys. And if you're looking to do product research, I'm also going to have a video in the description down below to teach you guys exactly how to find that right product for you. Or you can also check out that free course on Amazon, which is going to show you guys exactly how to find that right product for you, how to ship it from China to Amazon's warehouse, all the little details that I've learned throughout the years, and how I'm able to make $2,000 profit every day now, working about an hour or two online. Especially didn't start off like that. Especially when I started on Amazon, I probably spent around 6 hours a day learning the whole process. And when I started selling on Amazon years ago, I was making around probably $200 every day. And every year I reinvested in the business. Of course, it took a little bit of percentage out just to live, but mainly I reinvested in that business and started up another product, then another product, and continuously growing the brand and business. and now I have over 15 successful products selling online and making $2,000 profit and $1 million in sales. As last year I made 100% increase in just sales and profit. So last year I was probably making around $1,000 and now I'm making $2,000, and I'm continuously reinvesting in the business. And what I love about Amazon is that they pack it, ship it, deliver it to the customer, and I don't have to deal with any hassle, employees. You know, it's almost like Amazon's employees kind of work for me, even though I sell on Amazon and I work for Amazon pretty much. It's like their employees. To scale my business, it's a lot faster because I don't have to deal with employees or inventory in the house. I just need to make sure that product is a very high quality product and that I have very good reviews for my product as well. So if you have any questions of how to get started on Amazon or anything, just leave them in the comments section down below. Like this video if you can, I would really appreciate it. And subscribe if you're new. Just takes 5 seconds of your time. Hit that subscribe button. It's free and it would really help me out, and I would really appreciate it. Like I said, if you have any comments about anything, I'll reach back to you guys and help you guys as much as possible, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.